What if I told you that going from $0 to your first $1,000 online is not just possible, it is a predictable path you can start walking today? Forget the gurus selling impossible dreams. This is a real, step-by-step plan that actually works, even if you have no money, no experience, and no idea where to begin. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to your first $1,000. So how do we do it? We are not chasing shiny objects. We are building a solid foundation. The journey is broken down into 4 simple phases: the skill phase, the client phase, the product phase, and the scaling phase. Let's start with phase 1, the skill phase. Your most valuable asset right now is not money. It's your ability to learn a valuable skill. I am talking about skills that businesses are desperate for. Think about things like copywriting, video editing, social media management, or graphic design. You might be thinking, but I do not know how to do any of that. And that's perfectly fine. You can learn almost any of these skills for free. YouTube itself is a massive university. There are countless channels dedicated to teaching you video editing with free software like DaVinci Resolve, or how to write compelling sales copy. Let's say you decide to learn copywriting. Spend the next 30 days completely immersed in it. Dedicate just 1 hour a day. That's it. Watch tutorials, read blogs from famous copywriters, and most importantly, practice. Rewrite ads you see online. Write product descriptions for random items in your house. The goal here is not to become the world's best copywriter overnight. The goal is to become better than the average person. In just 30 hours of focused effort, you will have a skill that businesses will pay for. This initial investment of your time is the most crucial step. Do not skip it. Pick one skill, just one, and commit to learning it. Now, let's move to phase 2, the client phase. You have got a skill, but how do you get paid? This is where most people get stuck. They wait until they feel ready, which is a feeling that never comes. We are going to get your first client and your first dollar. Your goal here is not to land a massive contract. It's to get proof of concept and build your confidence. So, where do you find these clients? Forget bidding for pennies on massive freelance platforms. We are going to be smarter. Start with your existing network. Post on your social media. Say something like, "Hey everyone, I have been learning copywriting for the past month, and I am looking to build my portfolio. For the next 3 people, I will write your website's landing page copy for a steeply discounted rate." You are not asking for a handout. You are offering incredible value. Another powerful strategy is direct outreach. Find small businesses on Instagram or local businesses on Google Maps that could obviously use your help. Maybe their website copy is bland or their social media is a ghost town. Send them a personalized video message. Do not just send a generic email. Record a quick, 1-minute video on your phone. "Hey, I am Mike. I was looking at your coffee shop's Instagram, and I love your vibe. I had a few ideas for some captions that could really boost your engagement. Can I send them over?" This personal touch cuts through the noise. Your goal for this phase is to make your first $100. It might come from one client or a few small gigs. This first $100 is the hardest you will earn, but it's also the most important. It proves your skill has real-world value. Once you have made that first bit of money, it's time for phase 3, the product phase. This is where we start moving from trading time for money to building something that can earn money for you. You have now worked with a few clients. You understand their pain points. What is a common problem they all have? Let's stick with our copywriting example. Maybe all your clients struggled with writing engaging emails. You can bundle your knowledge into a product. This does not have to be a massive online course. It could be a simple digital product, like a pack of 50 high-converting email templates for a specific industry. You could create a short guide called the 5-Day Email Marketing Kickstart. You can design this in a free tool like Canva and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy for, say, $27. The beauty of a digital product is you create it once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. To promote it, you can use the content you are already creating. Make short-form videos showing one of the templates in action. Write a blog post about the biggest email marketing mistakes, and then mention your template pack as the solution. This phase is about transitioning your one-on-one service into a one-to-many product. This is how you start to decouple your time from your income. Earning your first few $100s from a product you created while you were sleeping is a game-changing feeling. It opens your eyes to what's truly possible. And that brings us to phase 4, the scaling phase. This is where we put everything together to hit that $1,000 mark and beyond. You now have two income streams, your freelance service and your digital product. Now we amplify them. Let's talk about scaling your service first. With a portfolio and testimonials from your first few clients, you can now confidently raise your rates. The client who paid you $50 for a project should now be paying you $250. You are faster, you are better, and you have proof. You can also niche down further. Instead of being a general copywriter, you become the go-to copywriter for e-commerce brands or for fitness coaches. Specialization allows you to charge premium prices. At the same time, we are going to scale your product income using affiliate marketing. This is genius. You can find other creators in your niche and offer them a commission, say 40%, for every time they sell your digital product to their audience. They get to offer value to their followers without creating a product, and you get sales without any extra marketing effort. It's a win-win. So now, you might have one or two high-paying freelance clients per month, bringing in $700. And your digital product, being sold by you and a few affiliates, is generating another $300. And just like that, you have hit your first $1,000 month. It's not magic, it's a system. Skill, clients, product, scale. Now let's talk about the secret weapon in all of this, AI automation. Tools like ChatGPT can be your personal assistant. When you are learning copywriting, you can ask it to generate examples of different tones of voice. When you are prospecting for clients, you can ask it to help you draft personalized outreach emails. When you are creating your digital product, you can use it to brainstorm ideas and outline the content. AI does not replace your skill, it multiplies your effort. It helps you learn faster, work more efficiently, and break through creative blocks. Using these tools intelligently can literally cut your learning curve in half and double your output. Let's recap the entire plan. Step 1. Choose one high-value skill and spend 30 days learning it for free. Step 2. Get your first paying clients through direct outreach and your network to earn your first $100. Step 3. Turn your expertise into a simple digital product to create a second income stream. Step 4. Scale both your service rates and your product sales to cross that $1,000 a month threshold. This entire process can be done from your laptop with zero upfront investment. The only thing it costs is your time and your willingness to learn and take action. I know there will be moments of doubt. You will get rejected by potential clients. Your first product might not sell as well as you hoped. That is part of the process. Every successful online entrepreneur has faced these same hurdles. The difference is they did not quit. They saw every failure as a data point, a lesson to learn from. If you spend just 1 hour a day consistently following this plan, I have zero doubt that you can make your first $1,000 online. It's not a matter of luck, it's a matter of execution. The path is clear. The tools are available. The only variable is you. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff guides to building your online income. Now go pick your skill and get started. I will see you in the next video.